Hello, warm welcome to you back to my channel. In this video we shall see something about boundaries and the benefits that we actually can get by setting those boundaries towards others. Okay, see, I am not trying to be harsh here, obliging our near and dear ones, attending to their needs, attending to their requirements. That is very much part of ongoing relationships. Okay, but there will be certain limits even to that. You cannot go beyond the limits, and you also cannot allow others to cross those limits. Okay, we have to learn to set those boundaries and to comfortably convey a no from our side to others. Others can be anyone. See, this setting boundaries, we can apply this to all kinds of situations, personal situations or professional situations also. Okay, let us try to understand in this video what really are the advantages that we as individuals receive by setting those boundaries. There will be some people who are very demanding, and you cannot extend yourself to such an extent that you end up feeling low or irritated or sorry for yourself. Okay, some people, like you might have come across so many people, be it in your personal life or professional life. Okay, now we are trying to discuss, I am trying to discuss that kind of a situation and the need or the benefits that we get by setting those boundaries and those limitations. Okay, see, basically we get the much needed inner peace and that feeling of safety. We have to be composed, we have to be we have to feel that inner peace, like we have to be at peace whatever we do, in whatever we do, like professionally or in our personal relationships or whatever be it. We have to maintain or we have to feel that feeling of security for ourselves, right? We cannot feel exploited by people who are very self obsessed or very much self-serving or very much demanding. You cannot fall prey to such people's attitude or such people's demands. You have to set boundaries, you have to show them where their place is, and you have to clearly convey that, communicate that to them in simple plain words, which gives you the much needed inner peace and that feeling of safety when we do not feel exploited. Okay, and we also have that acceptance. By setting those boundaries for ourselves and for others, we also understand, we also accept that others also have the same right to set boundaries. Okay, it is like two-way thing, give and take kind of a situation. When you are able to set boundaries and when you are able to communicate those boundaries, and most importantly when you are able to follow those boundaries, follow your limits and make others follow them, then you will have that kind of understanding and empathy towards people and acceptance towards people, that yes, they also can have the equal right of setting boundaries for themselves and for you also. Okay, so that acceptance will make you understand that everybody is entitled to set boundaries and there is nothing wrong in it. In fact, that is the to-do thing. Okay, next is, like, we will be left with the much valuable time and energy to actually do what we really value. Okay, not what others want us to do or not what others demand us to do. Okay, we all have limited resources, be it our own energy or time, and we definitely have that right to invest that energy, invest the time in things that we really like. Okay, not what others want us or not what others demand us to do. Okay, and when you really set that boundaries, then you will be left with this very, very valuable time and energy to live for yourself. Okay, and you will gain that self respect. Okay, you will gain that confidence that you are actually setting boundaries, you are able to do that, and that you are able to communicate that with others, and when you are able to follow that, okay, you will have that self respect for yourself. You feel good for yourself for not putting aside your priorities, your needs for the sake of others' demands. Okay, so you will feel empowered, respected. Your worth, your self-worth will be high. Your inner feeling will be very positive when you are able to properly set boundaries. Okay, and making others lose their ammunition to make you feel guilt. There will be people around us who really make us feel guilty for not accepting or for not doing or for not honoring their demands. Okay, here we are speaking of undue demands, not in everything. Okay, so when you clearly set boundaries and when you are able to communicate them and when you live by them, when you truly follow those boundaries, then others cannot make you feel guilty, because you are not allowing them to make you feel guilty, because you are living by your standards, you are living by your boundaries, by your values, which is a wonderful thing. Nobody else can make us feel guilty for not accepting their priorities. Okay, that is important. And there will be less room for misunderstandings and those guilt trips. Okay, see, misunderstandings, you may be thinking that when you set boundaries and when you convey that no message to others, there will be misunderstandings. Initially there may be, definitely there may be, but when you really stick to them and when you really set reasonable boundaries, like whatever you can, you will do for others also. But for those self-serving people or demanding people, you are clearly trying to set boundaries and you are communicating them also. So that makes them slowly understand that you are not there for them to, for every situation or every demand of theirs, you are not going to attend. So that will make them understand slowly that, okay, these are the limitations, like these are the boundaries and this is where we have to stop. Okay, so that in the long run definitely will reduce those misunderstandings and those, the worst part of it is those guilt trips. You need not pay visits, like you need not make that guilt trips because of others. Okay, you can be really at peace. Okay, so these are some of the advantages. And see, our boundaries, like where we set those boundaries, what are the boundaries that we set and what are the boundaries that we communicate, like those reflect our values. Again and again I am saying, I am not asking you to tarnish the relationships. I am not asking you to not value others' feelings at all. No, but there will be situations where you really cannot go that long to honor others' feelings or others' demands. So where you set those boundaries is something which reflects your own persona, and that really makes you understand yourself much better. Okay, that is for today's video. Thank you.